bad bitches when they made you. Red bone, slim, thick shit, she only 22. No, she do for a little workout, pull up on the Lululemon. Got a 10, I let her lay out.
Hey, hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Young and Turnt, and if you subscribe you can be Young and Turnt too. So today I'm going to be doing an updated makeup tutorial because I did my makeup a lot during homecoming and I just felt like it looked really good, so why not? All I have right now on is some lip plumper, and I'm gonna get started on my makeup. I'm gonna give you guys a step-by-step. I found a new way to edit, so let me know if you guys like my editing after, like, in the comments of this video and stuff like that. And yeah, we're just gonna get straight into it. It's nothing really to talk about. This is my updated makeup routine. Very affordable. Everything that I use here is literally from the drugstore. I don't think there's not one product here. Yeah, wow. Well, okay, my palettes are not from the drugstore, but that's okay because it's just a palette. You can always do your makeup with drugstore materials, which is what I'm going to show you, how to get a full beat with majority of drugstore makeup. So just watch. I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you feel like this video was helpful, and comment down below any new videos you guys want to see me do. So we're just gonna get straight into the video. Okay, so the first thing, and I'm actually trying to record a TikTok and a YouTube video at the same time, so please bear with me if it looks like I'm looking down because my phone is directly under the camera. So just bear with me, stay with me, okay guys? So the first thing I'm gonna do is moisturize my face because, like I said, I only have on lip plumper. I don't have anything else on my face right now. So this is the first thing I'm gonna go in with, is my Daily Hydrating Lotion by Cetaphil. You always want to make sure you have a good moisturizer. When you're moisturizing your face, a good base is really needed for your makeup to really come out good. If you don't have a good base, you might as well just say goodbye to your makeup, okay? I'm gonna go on my e.l.f. Putty Primer. I'm pretty sure every girl uses this. Just lather it all over your face to get a good sticky base. I have extremely dry skin, so I cannot recommend this for girls that have oily skin, but I would definitely recommend this for girls that have really dry skin. That's also why I put a moisturizing lotion on my face before I put primers, because my skin is so dry. Like, I can literally lotion, like, you guys probably see my skin. I have all these marks just from dryness. Like, I get dry patches all over. It's terrible. So that's why I do 2 steps of moisture for my base, but as an oily skin girl, I really don't know. My mom uses this as well, but I don't think she really likes it that much. So I would definitely recommend this for my dry skin girlies. My oily skin girlies, I really don't know. You know what I mean? I feel like when it comes to like basing, it's kind of like what works for your skin, and just honestly like what your skin can take and what it can handle. So we're just gonna go in with this, and yeah, because that's what it does. Make sure it's super sticky. Okay, so while my putty primer dries on my face, I gotta let that get real sticky. It's not as sticky as it should be yet. Let that get real sticky. I'm gonna go in with this, excuse me. I'm gonna go in with this brow grip. I actually just got this from Five Below, so I'm very interested to see how it works. Because usually I don't use a brow grip, but my eyebrows always fall down throughout the day. Like, I have really thick eyebrows, so we're gonna see what happens. I'm gonna try it out. I feel like more could definitely come out of the stick. This is cool. I can rock with this. Next, I'm going to take, oh, why does it got some hair on it? I'm gonna take a brown, I mean not brown, a black eye pencil. I like to do my eyebrows black, okay? I like when my eyebrows are black. Let's try to... Now I'm going to go in with my underbrows, under my eyebrows, with Deep Chestnut and the e.l.f. Hydrating Cameo Concealer. So I'm just gonna take a little bit, put it on this paper towel right here because I don't have a silver palette and I hate when makeup gets all over the place. And I'm gonna take a very, very small defined brush. I actually just bought a new one today because the defined brush that I have, ooh, this is the one that I have right now at the moment, and I'm gonna show you guys the one that I just bought. I feel like the smaller the better. You see, this one is a little thicker, this one is way skinnier, so it's gonna give me way more room to be more precise. Okay, so I'm just gonna start carving that. So now that my eyebrows are carved out, what I like to do is with every single step of my makeup, because I have dry skin, with every single step of my makeup, I have to spray the brush. Now I'm going to take some of my Morphe palettes. This is a really old Morphe Babe palette. Oh, shit. Oh. Oh. Okay. Okay. Well, I did not expect that. My fingers are freaking glistening right now. Hold on. Now I'm gonna go in with a mix of two foundations. I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me in the shades 338 and 356. I'm just gonna mix both of them, okay? All right, now I'm gonna take a super fluffy brush and just, you know, circular motion. Spray with the spray. Okay, now I'm going to go in with my e.l.f. in the shade Deep Chestnut. I'm going to put that in the corners of my eyes, and then I'm going to blend that up going into the, like, I'm going to put it on the outside of my eyes and blend it going into the corner of my eyes. Now I'm gonna go in with my shade Deep Caramel in the corners of my eyes. And we are going to blend that straight that way. This lighting is good because I'm super duper blind and I actually can't see, so just good lighting, guys. You just gotta bear with me, okay? Okay. Now that we have done all of that, we are going to go in and add some bronzer around my nose area. You know what I mean? Just get rid of these harsh lines. Period. Now, for everybody's favorite part, I know it's my favorite part, we're gonna go in with our... This is the holy grail for dark skin, brown skin girls. Baby, first of all, I've had this forever and it's just now getting a hold. I probably had it for like 2 years. I hope it's not oh, 12 months. Whoa, it still worked fine for me. But anyways, this is the holy grail right here. You really need to use this, okay? Watch, I'm about to show y'all in real time how it's going to snatch me. I'm about to show y'all in real time, okay? I always start with the first. I dab with the first, like that, and then I'll go like that. No, I don't know. I don't fucking. You see, I'm trying to tutorial. I'm starting to lose my way, but we're just gonna go in with it, okay? Now we're going to go on with my Morphe palette. This is That's Rich in AR, and we are going to use this mixture of the two different red blushes, okay? Okay guys, this is really where you tie it all in, okay? So we're gonna take any Beauty Supply Store lip liner. I like to use a dark brown. I also have like this purplish pink color, but I'm not really in the mood for that right now. When I go soft, I like to do a nice soft nude lip vibe, okay? So that's what we're gonna do right now. Guys, I am back. So we're gonna do my lip combo. You already see me apply that brown lip liner, and now I'm gonna go in with the NYX in the shade Creme Brulee, and then I'm also gonna go in with this Ruby Kisses. I have Like a Virgin. It's so pink and pretty. Oh, I'm over here putting it to the wrong camera. It's so pink and pretty. But yeah, these are the two that I'll be using for my lip combo. To set my face with spray. I set my face throughout every single step, so I just be forgetting when I get to the end. Obviously, I'm going to use this Power Grip primer that I used before. I like to cover my eyes because of my lashes and just spray it all around that. Okay guys, this is the end of the makeup tutorial. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and I really hope you guys learned some new techniques, new products, whatever the case may be. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, please comment them in the comments below, because I will be happy to answer any and all questions. No question is a dumb question when it comes to makeup. It took me a lot of years to learn everything, because I used to want to be a makeup artist, so I started learning makeup during COVID when I was around 17 years old. Oh, why I couldn't breathe just now. So I was 17 when I started doing makeup. I'm 22 now. Y'all can do the math because I'm not doing that. Yeah, so it's been a little minute, you know what I mean? It's been a lot of years of me just perfecting my craft, and this is my full tutorial. The only thing I forgot to do was I definitely forgot